Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about 4 of the most incredible and disturbing studies about high blood pressure. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. An estimated 1 in 3 people in the United States has high blood pressure, with 50% of those people not having their high blood pressure under control. High blood pressure, or hypertension as it's called, is a leading risk factor for heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, and other health problems. Here are the conclusions from 4 recent studies. The first, more intensive management of high blood pressure below a commonly recommended blood pressure target significantly reduces rates of cardiovascular disease and lowers risk of death in groups of adults 50 years and older who have high blood pressure. Number 2, people with better cardiovascular health at age 50 may be less likely than those with poor cardiovascular health to develop dementia later in life. In the third study, results support a growing body of evidence suggesting that controlling blood pressure may not only reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease, but also of age-related cognitive loss. And the last study says that treating high blood pressure not only improves older adults' cardiovascular health, but also can reduce their risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. The importance of blood pressure control cannot be overstated. It definitely can make your senior years worth living. Do you want a natural way to repair the underlying causes of high blood pressure? Then just click the link below this video to see my blood pressure repair page. If you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the 2 video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by, and here's to your good health.